I'm Trent Trout. I'm the manufacturing teacher over at the high school. Through the grant this year, we've been able to purchase 2 resin printers and the wash and cure booth for the resin printers. Those have allowed the students to create more detailed prints as well as play around with a different type of 3D printing. So compared to the traditional style 3D printing where you're printing layer by layer, this way they're actually using a resin bath and it's curing the resin layer by layer. So they're able to get exposure to a new technology and a new type of 3D printing that's going to help them when they go into the industry. So if a lot of my students are going into engineering, and this is great because in engineering a lot of times 3D printers are used for prototyping. So they'll take their model or whatever and then they're going to 3D print one and then you're like, okay, well this worked and this didn't work, let's print another one, and it's quick and it's easy. So by allowing them a new type of technology and another way to 3D print stuff, it's just going to give them that advantage in the industry because now they know a lot of different skills and they're able to apply those to different things. Big thanks to the foundation. These 3D printers have been awesome in the classroom and it's really got the students excited about 3D printing.